the total profit or loss history on the basis of all the shares in detail. Okay, 50 rupees right now, and the inflation rate is 8, and after 5 years. Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a Python project which I started 2 to 3 months ago and is kind of 20 to 30% done, I think, and is not going to be done anytime soon. So without wasting your time, let me run this programmer real quick and show you some interesting things. Here what you can see is like this whole project is situated on the file-based database system, as I did not thought about making this thing so long, but have got some real plans on this project. So I'm thinking of migrating on the real database system SQL soon. That is gonna be a pain, so gotta bear with me. Let me log in here first. Login. It takes some time in the start as it gets the current price of the shares from the internet, or you can say Yahoo Finance particularly. This is the classic dashboard I created for this application. Here you can see the total profit and the invested amount here. Then on the side you have the top stocks. These are the stocks performing best on your portfolio. Then on the top you can see some tabs, and there's a calculator tab, and currently I have 3 calculators, but I'm thinking of adding 5 more on this. So let me show the functionality of these calculators real quick. Now suppose this is a SIP calculator. Okay, so this is a SIP calculator. Now suppose I am doing 5,000 monthly SIP, and 13% is my yearly rate of expected return, and the numbers of year is 5. I will calculate it, and this is the amount which my system thinks is going to be receiving soon if I keep doing the SIP. Then here's the net worth calculator. This is a real simple calculator. So now suppose the amount of assets I have is 0 and the liability is 1000 to think in this particular case, and if I hit calculate now, it says that your total approximate net worth is -1000. That is true in this scenario. And if I go back on the calculators tab and select on the inflation calculator, you will have this screen, and here it is asking me initial price. Now let's suppose it is 50, inflation rate is 80, and number of years 5. I will explain this calculator with a real example. Now suppose that there is a bread which is costing 50 rupees right now, and the inflation rate is 8, and after 5 years it is going to be 73.46, something above that. This is what my inflation calculator thinks. Now in the view tab you can see different views like the stock view. So in this view you can actually see all the shares in detail. Okay, like here you can see on the table, these are all the stocks I have on my demo account. Then there is to buy shares, and on this what we can do is kind of add those stocks which we need to buy in the near future or buy at a certain level, so that when the target price of that particular share is reached, it can give a notification to you. Now if I go back on the dashboard, you will be able to see 2 more features here. One of them is the profit and loss history. It is a graph which shows the total profit or loss history on the basis of times how often you log in. Like I have currently 200 plus times of login here on my application. And if I close this and go on my total investment history, on this window what I have is kind of the management of the invested amount, the amount which I added on to buying the shares or sold them. This is what this window is holding up the details of. And the settings, it is very simple. Log out. Currently this is my application and I am thinking of doing a lot of improvements in this application, and this is not going to be complete anytime soon. So I will need your help by subscribing to this channel, liking this video and hitting that notification bell. Thank you.